caterpillar.
Oh,
Baby caterpillar is hatching.
he's coming down to his hill.
对了，没错。
Baby, you could play.
They're eating their eggs.
Mama,
Caterpillar.
how you do the sundial?
Man, the yellow eggs change their color.
That's sundial.
And then they have this black head.
That's sundial.
Was ist da?
So cute.
This.
Ja, das sind die großen Robben. Die sind schon groß. Da auf deiner Seite sind die Robbenbabys.
Can you this?
Was magst du haben?
Happen.
Ein großes
They are
Robben?
eating their eggs and then
Okay.
they